The Rails guides are great for a lot of different things, however one thing it really doesn't touch on is race conditions. And race conditions are an undesirable situation where concurrent execution of code causes negative consequences in our applications. And typically with a Rails project, we're pretty much safe and you don't have to worry about it too much. Most of our interaction with the code will happen synchronously. Even when we have a load balancer and multiple application services running, each request will happen synchronously, so it's not that big of a concern. However, we can get ourselves into situations where we introduce race conditions. In this episode, we will look at a few reasons why this can happen and some ways that we can mitigate these situations. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.